Alright, HVAC people. Had to rent a jack, duck jack. Gonna change out one of these units today. I think it's this one right here. And the air handler above the ceiling tile, probably about, I want to say probably about 12, 14 foot. So I'm not gonna record the whole thing. I'm just gonna kind of like show it before and after. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. But we want to try to get in and out of here today. Got a crew gonna come help me out. So we'll see how it goes. All right. So I got them air handler above this ceiling tile. So I got the jack. We're gonna have to get it up here some type of way. So I got them. We're gonna clear this shelf here so we can have access to the roof or above the ceiling tile. Anyway, we got a return here. We're gonna put a supply here. We're going from a 4-ton to a 5-ton. As you can see, it's running and it's 82, 83 degrees up in here. So I'm gonna add a supply, probably like middle ways. I think they got 8-inch existing. So we're gonna put, I think, a 10-inch somewhere in the middle. But I got step down diffusers. I'm gonna put it here instead of the old perforated grills. And I think I'm gonna add one like somewhere in here. I know we adding like 3 or 4 more, and I think I want something right in front of this door, maybe a 10-inch by right here. So I'm going to a 16 seer carrier train. Like I say, I'm just gonna show little snippets of it, but watching AC grind time. All right, I pumped down as much as I could. So I'm gonna recover the rest. It still work. I say it's just undersized, so if I put this in my backyard, somebody need a 4-ton one day, and they got emergency, got it on deck. Either that or it gets scrapped. But it's in bad condition though. The fan wobbly. It's like the fan hit the coil at one time. So I don't know who put the fan on it, but it's wobbling pretty bad. Alright, that's where we at though. Coming on down. Go take a look on the inside. So I pumped it down. I take this condenser loose and I'll flush it with that 411. So then I got that. So we're gonna take all that out. All right, got the carrier condenser set, 5-ton, 16 seer. Here's my line set up with my electrical. See, that's a big boy right there. Get this lady in my car. Hello, you got my car. I got an account with you guys.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. All right. Yep.
Vas a tratar de sacar el coile, ¿verdad? Sí. You're gonna try to bring out the ball, so when we bring it, it's
Yeah, oh yeah. Y'all long. Boy, working fast too. In and out of there.
Dale, papo, ya está aquí.
It's okay, yeah, don't worry about that water.
Es mío, papo. Es mío. Dame.
Amigo, I gotta get that on camera, man. I ain't never seen about WW destroy it like that.
Oh, he can get to the box with it. You really needed that 12 or 14 footer. Okay. Hey, agarra el Unistrap. Sí, pues agarra el Unistrap aquí. Hey, mira, el Unistrap aquí, pone la mano, mientras que se va enderezando, para que no la dejemos caer ahí, y así ya la podemos ir girando de aquí.
George, yo lo voy a sonar, yo. Ahí está. Vale, usted agarra la de medio. Usted la agarra de medio, ¿sí?
Aquí yo con el Unistrap la estoy jalando.
Sí. Yo aquí ya la domino, suéltala ahí.
Hey, no sueltes el Unistrap. El Unistrap se te está recorriendo. Y el Unistrap es el que lo está deteniendo, si no se te va a caer a ti. Dale.
Marvin, jala más el
Jala el Unistrap para el centro.
Yeah.
Es todo, papi, es todo, jálalo.
ahí, Marvin. Yo voy bajando aquí.
Tráete el Unistrap. Tráete el Unistrap para el frente. Hey, el Unistrap trae.
that titty out there. I'm hooked the electricity up. I mean, well, electrical. Well, I'm gonna hit it with some nitrogen first. Pull the vacuums, then start hooking up the electrical. I added a return. Got 2 returns, 14-inch duct coming out of there. So, got 1 supply, 2. They only have 4 supplies in there. Got a return right here. Got a return in the center. Gonna have a return on this side. You're gonna put one right here, right? Yeah, right here. Got a return, a supply here. Yeah.
Huh? Hey, again.
There's a kitchen right here. Got a lot of heat coming through there. Yeah, I see how you do yours. Yeah. 8-inch?
Yeah, 8.
Yeah. Nice. A lot of flame be coming from here. They got some exhausts back here. I'm gonna have to get clean those out. I don't really do that, but for the right price, I will. Got a lot of grease. It look like it's been clogging them up. This thing right here put out a lot of heat too. So that other unit take care of the back. This unit right here take care of the back. So they're really gonna have to help each other out too. So eventually we'll have to upgrade this back unit, and then we can add some more supplies. Look at that filter. I replaced that filter May 25th, and it's already clogged up. So I'm gonna try to keep them on the PM schedule though. But everything looking good. That's what we got. We only a few hours in the job. Change out. It's about let's see what time it is. 7:20. Started probably about 3 o'clock. So we're ahead of schedule pulling the vacuum on this unit. I'm gonna hook my regular micron gauge up. But the yellow jacket, it has a micron gauge sensor. Also, right here, a vacuum sensor. But I like to use mine. Old field piece. Field piece good for something. I've been pulling this vacuum probably about 15 minutes. Pull it down to 500 microns and let it hold for about 5 or 10 minutes. Maybe about 780. Just pulling the vacuum on the line set in the evaporator coil. Got 14 pounds of refrigerant, 410A in the system. say let the wire nut do the work. Put it right together. It's nice and smooth. How to put that safety on there, plug the safety camera look. Let's see where we at. 568. I'm gonna pull that down, HVAC people. I'm at 450. So all I'm gonna do is shut off the vacuum, or close the line on the vacuum. Make sure this don't go above 1,000 within 5 minutes. When I close it out, you're gonna see it going up real fast, but it'll slowly start going back down. So in my vacuum line, that's the only one I'm gonna close. Alright, it's completely shut. See it going up, but it starts slowing up, and then it'll start going back down. But it shouldn't go over 1,000 within 5 minutes. Just guarantee I don't have any leaks in the system, or no moisture. If you did have a leak, you go above 1,000, but the numbers will be going like real slow. If you have moisture in the system, these numbers will be constantly go up real fast. I mean, I'm sorry, real slow. If you had a leak, like I say, your numbers increase fast. If you have moisture in the system, it'll be going slow, but it'll go above 1,000 microns real slowly. That's how you know you got moisture in the system. Like I said, I'm just gonna hold this for about 5 minutes though, and just make sure it don't go above 1,000. We flushed the lines out with R11. I meant to get that record that, because somebody asked me to do it, but I didn't do it. I typically would have did an install like this by myself, but like I say, this was above ceiling tile, high in the air. There's no way I was going to even try to do this by myself. But glad to have the help. So we knocked it out real fast. Thought it was going to be a late night. But we got the lift. We didn't even use the lift. We just got some ladders. And my guy that carried up there on his back, you know, we helped him, but hey, put it on the unit struts. And I didn't know I had my GoPro in the truck. I could have filmed all that, but I needed to help out, so I couldn't record it on my phone. But I'm gonna let this marinate a little bit. I can tell how slow it's going though. It's not gonna go above 1,000. I got about 2 more minutes left, and then I'll release the charge. All right.